Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So, the network has again new details about the next Galaxy family models with some fresh stuff. The new leaked Samsung Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Ultra front design looks more premium than ever. On the other hand, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra's new color variants tipped ahead of January 2025 launch. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Samsung Galaxy S25 and S25 Ultra screen glass leaked again. A renowned tipster Ice Universe posted a set of images, showcasing the alleged screen panel of Samsung's upcoming flagships. The Galaxy S25 Ultra and S25's front appearance could be seen in leaked glass images. Both phones will have punch-hole display cutouts apart from Samsung's thinnest ever bezels. The vanilla Galaxy S25 will have a 6.2-inch display, while the S25 Ultra will have a 6.9-inch panel. The former will be the same as the S24, but the Ultra will increase by 0.1 inches. Samsung's S25 Ultra will be even more convenient to handle for longer. It's going to be slightly taller and narrower, resulting in better handling and easier access across the screen. Galaxy S25 could lead the small flagship market in the industry. Packed with pro-grade specifications, the smartphone will offer portability without feature compromise. While using the recent Ultra phones, I also felt my palm was crushing due to corners. The flat display was a masterstroke. And now, the slight rounds are another welcome move by Samsung. On the other hand, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra color variants tipped may come in 2 new colors. There could be a choice of 4 once again. Tipster again, who goes by the name Ice Universe in X, shared a post, revealing 4 expected color options of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. It was highlighted that the Galaxy S25 Ultra may come in black, green, blue, and titanium. While black and titanium have been around with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, Samsung may introduce 2 new colors which are highlighted as green and blue. Apart from these 4 color options, the company has also announced some exclusive colors, which are only available for online purchase. However, the online store color options are yet to be revealed. Therefore, we may get additional new colors for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, which is launching on October 24. The Korean tech giant will launch the Galaxy S25 series early next year. We will be hearing a lot about the upcoming flagships as we near the official debut timeframe. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.